Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I haven't filmed a video in quite a long time where it's just me chatting and talking. So I decided here with my curling iron, I have to get ready to go to school anyways. I can't find a hair tie. I got dressed. I put on a top that looks somewhat okay in the video. I'm wearing my necklace. Got some earrings on. I don't have mascara on. I don't know why. I also need to put lip color on. Great. So yeah, we're just gonna do my hair and I'm gonna chat with you guys about my life and what's going on and why there haven't been such a great flow of videos. I'm also sorry for the lighting. It makes my face look really white. Like, I look really glowy though, so I'm kind of liking it, but we're gonna just give it a minute. I'm gonna go find a hair tie. There's always one in my school bag. Okay, so to start off, I'm debating about making a new channel, just like one to kind of more be like this. It'll focus more on like Christian things because I am very Christian, if you are wondering. So I thought about that. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. Ooh, it'll be kind of like beauty videos that have a lot of like Christianity tied into them. I thought that would be kind of a cute idea, but let me know what you guys think. So we're gonna talk about that. We're also gonna be talking about just why I haven't made many videos, and yeah, that's about it. So to start off, I moved home, like back up north in Canada. I lived in Southern for a while, but then I was like, I need to go home. I started at university, so if you didn't know, I just turned 23, so I'm quite a bit older than all the kids in my classes, which I'm okay with. Wow, you can see my face now where it's actually real color, but yeah, I'm okay with being a little bit older. Like, it's not my favorite thing, but I think I'm just getting used to it because that's what I've chosen. I wasn't ready to start university when I was 18. Like, I really wasn't. I don't understand how anyone is. Like, I don't even know how these kids are doing it. I'm like, this is stressful. So yeah, so I've decided to do that, and I really like it so far. Like, I'm not having many problems with it, which I'm like, that's great. So I'm happy about that. I haven't found a church I really love up here. I went to Elevation a lot when I was in Toronto, and that was fun. I love going to Elevation. I think that was such like a fun time for me. I still watch it online, and I sometimes go to churches up here. They're just not as like fun, and they don't do as many fun things. I went back to Toronto to go to their concert in October, and that was super fun. So yeah, I'm kind of just like debating what I want to do with that. I do really like going to church though. So I've decided I do need to find a church though, and it is very important to me that I'm in a church, so I think I'll just go to the church that my friends go to just because it makes sense for me to be there and go. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. I have friends at university, which is really nice. Again, they're kind of all younger than me, but like, it's nice having friends that are friends. A lot of people have asked for separate videos other than Outfit of the Days. Outfit of the Days are just easier for me to film and edit and upload really quickly. Like this video, because I'm doing my hair, is pretty easy as well, so if you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Also, if you just think I should put like the Christian-y makeup chatty videos on this channel, let me know that too. The second channel would just be called Beauty for Ashes. I already like have the URL from like last year because I thought about doing this. But like, I lived on my own at that point, and that was kind of like a weird time for me. I didn't like love living alone. I don't understand how people live alone. I really don't. Like, it's kind of just weird. So yeah, if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm just using a Hot Tools 1-inch. I got this when I was graduating high school, so like 5 years ago, and I'm just using it as a wand because I kind of like bigger curls now. I like my hair to be a little bit more wavy than like exactly curly. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. What else is there to talk about? Oh, if you're wondering what I'm taking in school, I take anthropology. Interesting because I'm Christian, but I do really like the study of anthropology. I'm just making sure my hair curled in the mirror that's like off to the side. Yeah, I do like anthropology. I think it's a really cool subject. My mom also has a degree in anthropology, so it's just a nice thing. If you don't know what anthropology is the study of, it's a history of humans and studying cultures and stuff, and I really like the idea of culture. Especially coming from a Christian culture, it's very different than secular cultures or native cultures and stuff, so I really enjoy learning about it. Last semester I took anthropology, biology, and archaeology. So like that's like one course. That's like what the course is called, and it's very interesting when you look at the biology of humans, the structure. So I really do enjoy that. And this semester I'm taking cultural anthropology, which is, those are both just intro courses to courses you take in second year. On top of that, I take history, I take political science, I have a science course, I'm taking geology, and English, obviously. And then I'm thinking I'll be getting an education degree after, but we don't know that for sure. I didn't really enjoy the one education class I took, so I like kind of switched out of the program, but we'll see what happens then. So yeah, what's going on with all you guys? By the way, neither of my sides ever look the same. It's like my eyebrows, they barely ever look the same. And I did eyebrows professionally for like 2 years. That's what I did when I was like in Toronto, and that was like fun. I really liked it. But yeah, living alone was just hard. I'm going to school today, and I'll show you my outfit before I leave. It's kind of a boring outfit. I'm literally wearing a jean skirt, a sweater I got last year from Aerie. It's just like this kind of itchy cozy sweater, but it's really warm and it's really cold up here. And I'll wear tights and like boots. Just making sure they both curled. Perfect, they both curled. And I'm gonna let down the sides. I do pretty much exclusively still wear skirts and tights. The reason I do that is because I just feel better. And yeah, that's about it. Looks a lot on Christian things. I'm reading through 1 Samuel right now. I saw a video of a girl reading it because she wanted to read through David. I'm like, ooh, that's a good idea. So I'm reading through that right now. I just read like a chapter a day. It's a really good story. I like it. I like the origin story of Samuel. It goes into the story of David after and Solomon and all that, so I like reading. Although I also haven't read a lot of the Old Testament because I am Christian. I read most of the New Testament, but they're all really good. So I'm very excited to be doing that. A lot of churches are doing a Daniel fast right now, which is interesting. If you don't know what a Daniel fast is, it's just you Google it. It just means you eat pretty much exclusively fruits and vegetables, no processed sugar, no meat, no grains. So it's what Daniel ate before he went to the lion's den, essentially, or the fire. I don't remember, but it's there. So I thought I was going to go to school originally to be a pastor, which is another reason I kind of stopped making videos. So it just kind of made sense. And see, that one went really well. There we go. And now my hair is done, I think. Yeah, this is the way I like my hair, so they're finished. I do comb it out a little bit just to, yeah, so it looks more like that. But yeah, so I thought I was originally going to school be a pastor, and then I decided that that's a lot of money to do your undergrad in something theological. So I was like, okay, I'll just go do an undergrad in something that's a little bit more reputable in like a secular society, so I'm not tied down. And then I might go do a master's, or I might just not do it. We'll see where I feel called to go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this very rambly video, and I will see you guys later. Oh wait, I need to show you my outfit, but I'll insert that now.